Hello viewers. Welcome to Natural and Simple channel. If you are new to us, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is how to transform your skin complexion in 4 weeks. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy banana face masks for clear skin. Peel off 1 ripe banana and make the pieces. Mash up a medium-sized ripe banana into a smooth paste. Bananas contain nutrients, some of which may help with skin health. These include potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, traces of vitamin A. Bananas are not only the ultimate on-the-go breakfast food, but happen to have incredible beauty benefits when slathered on your face. Bananas are rich in antioxidants, which help to fight free radicals in the body. Applying antioxidants to your skin may help protect from free radical damage. You may also be left with more glowing skin. Add a ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Packed with antibacterial properties. Turmeric powder is a great addition to a banana mask, and will knock out the bacteria causing pimples. Turmeric powder, to reduce dark spots and acne while increasing brightness. Add all the ingredients in a small bowl. Use a fork to finely mash the banana while mixing the ingredients. Keep the mask on for 10-15 minutes. When the mixture has completely dried on your face, then wash off with warm water. Pat dry with a towel, and marvel at the smooth feel of your skin. Apply the moisturizer upwards from your chin to your cheeks and then to your forehead using a gentle circular motion. You'll get an immediate brightening effect, beautiful and clear skin. Thank you for watching. We will see you in next videos.